I can feel it, while talking to you guys. I want to ask you something. This gentleman here, we all love him, but उनका जो एक aura है ना, वो कुछ अलग है. He's up there, you talk about Balaya Babu and you're like, हाँ यार, वो एक, राजा टाइप का एक इंसान आने वाला है. ऐसे ही कुछ स्टैचर है सलमान खान का. When he walks in, you're like, हाँ यार, कोई आने वाला है. So tell me, from there to here, क्या डिफरेंस था और कितना मजा आया और क्या सिमिलैरिटीज होंगी और क्या अलग होगा इनमें?
Both are legends.
They are.
And I worked with both of them.
Huh.
I was a kid with Salman sir and acted with him. But we had a lot of fun. And he was very loving and caring also. Like, we used to go on ATV rides and play table tennis together. Here, it was more calm.
Oh.
He was very loving and caring. Palya sir was very loving and caring. Once I had a cold during shoot. उन्होंने मुझे जबरदस्ती कषायम पिलाया, like काढ़ा पिलाया. Even though I don't like काढ़ा. उन्होंने मुझे पिलाया so that I feel better.
Wow.
And then during breaks जब इनके लिए ड्राई फ्रूट्स आते थे तब वो मुझे हमेशा खिलाते थे ड्राई फ्रूट्स भी. Like he was that caring. He pampered me like a
super quality dry foods. If you get a chance, if it is coming here, don't miss your chance.
I'm not going to miss it for anything in the world. I'm waiting for it now. I'm waiting for it. Whether it's
quality.
I'm sure. कहाँ है भाई? मतलब मैं इंटरव्यू नहीं करने वाला हूँ, मैं बातचीत नहीं करने वाला हूँ. But thank you for sharing that.
Let's have dates with Nitin.
Let's have. Yeah, that was a good one, sir.
Like coffee with Karan. Dates with Nitin.
Word play, बड़ा तगड़ा word play था यहाँ पे. सब मुझे बताइए, आपकी बातें इतनी होती हैं, as संयुक्ता just told us about this thing कि हर तरीके का सिनेमा होता है. With you, this is not your regular cinema. So आप किस लेंथ से दुनिया को देखते हो? उन्होंने जो बात बोली थी मैं पहले वो जानना चाहता हूं. और when you present this, कहीं ना कहीं डर लगता है कि some people might say, अच्छा ये इतना over the top क्यों कर रहा है? ऐसे होता है कुछ?
नहीं सर.
So first things, how do you see the world? Like कौन से लेंस से आप देखते हो? Because आपके लेंस से हम देखते हैं.
सर अभी तक मैंने कमर्शियल फिल्म 7 से मैं 2 कमर्शियल फिल्म किया.
हाँ.
सिम्हा एंड लेजेंड. इसके बाद कमर्शियल सी सोशल फिल्म जाना बोले तो हमने रीच नहीं हो सकते. होना बोले तो और ज्यादा मीटर दबाना पड़ेगा.
राइट.
इसके बाद कुछ भी करने का कुछ भी नहीं लगेगा. सो जब साथ से बैठ के नहीं सर मैं अलग वर्ल्ड एक देख रहा हूँ. बिफोर भी आप पूछा सर सनातन धर्म के बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं, कुछ तो डर तो कुछ तो ऐसा है बोल के. नहीं सर, सनातन धर्म के हमारा मदर और सोल वो हमने बोल में कहा गया तो भी एक रिलीजन दिखेगा सर, लेकिन यहाँ धर्म दिखेगा.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है.
यहाँ इंडिया और अखंड भारत में कहाँ भी जाओ धर्म दिखेगा. सो हमारा मदर के बारे में सबको बोलने के लिए, अच्छा बात बोलने के लिए डरने का जरूरत क्या है?
बात है. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर.
सो जब सर से बैठ के सर अभी तक हमने 2 सोशल फिल्म्स किया. नहीं अभी चेंज करेंगे बोलने से सर क्या करेंगे? सर मेरे पास एक अघोरा कैरेक्टर है सर. अघोरा बोले तो थोड़ा सम ओपिनियंस रहेगा सर. सर ये ओनली 30 सेकंड्स में हो गया डिस्कशन. ओनली 30 सेकंड. अघोरा बोले तो वो विभूति लगा के झड़ा से थोड़ा कपड़े डाल के ऐसा रहेगा वो. यस सर. लेकिन बालैया सर बोयपाटी वो नहीं ना, अलग ना. हम अलग दिखेंगे ना, हम अलग दिखाएंगे, अलग दिखेंगे बोल के ये ओनली 30 सेकंड्स में हो गया सर. इमीडिएटली सर एक ही पूछा, मेकअप टेस्ट कब करेंगे? टेस्ट कब करेंगे? व्हाट इज मेरा कॉस्ट्यूम्स? सब्जेक्ट के बारे में नहीं पूछा सर. ओनली गेटअप टेस्ट कब? ओनली 10 डेज में गेटअप टेस्ट हो गया सर. फिल्म 3 मंथ्स में फिल्म शूट चले गया.
वाह.
सो इसीलिए अलग वर्ल्ड दिखाना देखे. मेरा मन में एक अलग वर्ल्ड मैं देखा सर. अलग वर्ल्ड दिखाना पब्लिक को भी. अभी बोल रहा हूँ सर, व्हाट इज आवर देश अखंड भारत, व्हाट इज आवर भारत, व्हाट इज आवर धर्म, व्हाट इज आवर दैव, व्हाट इज आवर स्पाइन. सो वो दिखाने के लिए कोशिश किया सर इसमें से.
अमेजिंग सर. और ये जो क्लैरिटी है ना, आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाट इज मेकिंग इट सो एक्साइटिंग फॉर एवरीवन. एंड 5 दिसंबर को आई रही है तो थिएटर्स में तो हम देखने वाले. दिस इज फॉर यू संयुक्ता जी. मुझे बोलो, दिस मैन हियर is a legend, of course. हम सब जानते हैं, you know. अभी he'll be like मत use कर ये word मेरे लिए, मेरे को पता है यार. King भी लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. For you, you know, matching your energy, like, you know, bringing it up to that level to match his energy. And I'm not just talking about the physical energy, the aura, the entire thing, you know. वो difficult था या बस आसानी से आ गया सबको?
Okay, I'm trying to put this in the right way. So people would watch a lot of videos on social media, and they have this perception that, oh, he might get angry.
Yeah.
No, he is real. So I've told this to people. With a lot of people you see in this industry, you don't know. They might say something to you, and they might be, you know, thinking something else in their head.
Huh.
With this person, with this human being, it's out there. It's real.
Right.
What he feels, he shows, and that's it. So I feel that is best, and that's much easier.
Right.
Now he has never gotten angry, and I have. So the last, which event was it? One launch in a theater we launched the song. And after that, a lot of memes came. It was really funny. I enjoyed watching. So in the flight, I kept showing everything to him. See, this is so nice. This is so nice. And we both laughed together, and that's it.
Yeah.
And then two things. I mean, my first memory. The first day I saw him, we were supposed to take a private flight for an inauguration that we were supposed to do together.
Okay.
And the previous day, I was flying from somewhere, and I had this sandwich from the airline. I was so hungry, and I fell sick at night. I had a food poison. Now morning, I'm in this space. No, I need to get ready. I need to, go there to the airport, and I didn't know what to do, and I was so scared that I just wanted to show up on time. But then they called, no, sir is already here. Sir is waiting. We need to take off as soon. I said, I don't know. I have to rush. I'm like, just give me whatever medicine. I don't know if I faint or whatever. I'll just take that and I'll go. And then this is the mood with which I'm going. And I reached the airport. I see this person just got up from where he was sitting. He was talking. He was full on energy. Everyone was there. I think Lokesh Garu, everybody. He was like, his son-in-law. And yeah. And then he gets up from his place and he comes, are you okay now?
Wow.
Okay. So that's it.
Right.
That's it.
Right.
I didn't have to explain that, how sick I was. There was nothing. He's just, you take care. It'll be like, have water. He's that. It's not anyone, coming and telling me, oh, why he was waiting here. Nothing. So I really, and very recently, there's something in the same flight, on some other flight, they were already boarded and I was entering, and he asked me, like, where are you sitting? I said, I'm sitting on the same row. I'm sorry, in the third row. And he's like, why? He didn't even think. He took his bag. He asked our director, sir, he said, no, we both will go sit in the third, let her sit here.
Wow. Wow.
And I'm like, what will I do with 2 seats in the front row in business class? Like, what do I do with?
Right.
No, you sit here, you sit peacefully, you sit here. And he took him and he just left.
Right.
And then we had to, ask him to please come. I'm like, so that's him. So these are the things that will never come on social media.
Right.
Social media will be like all those videos, but trust me, that's what the fans want from him. So then I noticed one thing. So he will ask the audience, his fans to keep quiet when they start talking. They intentionally do it. In the last event, when somebody was talking, they are like, Jay Balaya, react, now scold us. That's their audience want that. So audience love him for what he is. And I think that's the best thing. You don't have to be anything else. You're loved for what he is, and that's it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You were saying something.
कभी ऐसा होता है, हाथ से कभी एक मंदिर है, चलिए मंदिर में भी आगे फैंस। मंदिर एक ऐसा जगह है जहां पर बस भगवान ही भगवान है, बस हो गया दर्शन, बाहर आए पैर पे पड़ते मेरे, तो दैट इज वन कॉल्ड यू कांट एस्केप फ्रॉम इट वन थिंग, बिकॉज हाउ मच एवर यू टेल देम, वो अपने हाथ से पार हो जाता है देखते ही, बिकॉज लाइक दे यूज्ड टू सी फादर, दैट ऑरा, आई थिंक सो,
I know.
there's a lot of hard work behind that aura. It's not just a joke. I know that. I experience it every time. When I get up early morning at 3 o'clock, I do my exercises, then I do एक घंटा उसके ऊपर 2.5 घंटे पूजा करता हूँ ये सब. So this is when they like fall on in the temple. I'm talking about in the temple. And then I get angry. Then I want to teach them. What does our Dharma say? Dharma says, see, it's your God. Then is your father and mother. अब टेम्पल के बाद आप मुझसे कुछ मैन हैंडल भी डू एनीथिंग कुछ भी कर लो मेरे से लेकिन नॉट लाइक दैट जब मेरे को गुस्सा है बिकॉज व्हाट आई डू आई हैव नॉट ओनली एक्ट इन मूवीज बट आई हैव टू प्रीच इट इन प्रैक्टिकली इन रियल लाइफ
थैंक यू फॉर सेइंग दैट सर
हाँ.
कि इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं आप लोगों को एंड यू आर यू नो द पीपल हु पीपल लुक अप टू.
जी.
और बिल्कुल बहुत सही बात आपने बोली कि मंदिर के बाहर नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल से दिस
बिल्कुल कितने मंदिर के
अच्छा
अंदर
लगता है पूजा हो रही है मेरी.
हाँ.
So that's
So
beautiful.
yeah, that little bit. I think what that way I do is right. एक और